How to fix Wallpaper Engine keeps crashing on Steam. So first you want to right click on Wallpaper Engine, go to Properties, and then under Launch Options, you want to basically type -dx11 like this. And for the launch options, you want to set this to launch Wallpaper Engine from Ask when starting. Then you want to go to the Installed Files tab and click on Verify the integrity of game files. And then simply just wait for this process to finish up. And once this is done, you want to click on the Browse button and then find Wallpaper Engine exe. So you can do it for both 32 and 64. In this case, I'm going to do it for the 64 because I'm always running the 64 version. Then I'm going to click on Apply and OK after checking Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as admin. Now you can close out of this and close this window. Now you want to open up your GPU app. So for NVIDIA, it's usually NVIDIA app. Then you want to go to drivers section and check for updates and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to restart your computer, and you should do so even if you not prompted to do that. So after restarting your computer, you should simply open up Steam and just launch the Wallpaper Engine, and that should basically solve the problem. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.